We are taking a look at Amazon S3 server logs, and this provides detailed records of requests that are made to an Amazon S3 bucket. It's very easy to turn this functionality on, and there's no additional cost to enable S3 server logs except the cost to store it in another bucket. So it can be cheaper than turning on CloudTrail data events. It's just going to be dependent on what information you're trying to capture at what frequency and things like that. For that destination bucket, you got to make sure that it doesn't have requesters pay or payers request. Always forget the order of those words, but the point is you got to pay for the bucket, not somebody else. You can't have object locking on it. You can choose the format of the object key. So you have a couple here. And the other thing is that log files are plain text files with each recorded object action on each line by date time. This is pretty standard for server logs. So here we have a few lines. You can see it's really, really long, so it's not easy to make sense of what's going on there. But I did write down all of the attributes that you should expect to see. So we can see when this has happened. We can see the operation and a bunch of other stuff like what is the status code, if there was an error code, stuff like that. There are other additional fields for copy operations, but this gives you kind of an idea of information you can get. Yeah, and there you go.